It's breezy.
U.S.H.E.R. What's good, kid? Game Sport Joe the Kid. I'm back for another video, man. Welcome back to the gang. Welcome back to the channel, man. If you're new, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Let's get to 600 subscribers. Just want to thank everybody who had a part in getting us to 500 and counting. Just really know that I appreciate y'all so much, and it means the world to me, man. And let's continue to grow as a family. Let's continue to go up, man. Let's continue to reach 1K. It means the absolute world to me. You guys have no idea, man. So thank you so much. I see the comments, man. I interact with you guys every day, and I make sure I show the same love you guys showed me. So I just want to say thank you guys. Continue to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button for more lit reactions. Comment down below what you want me to react to next, man. And let's get this video started without further ado, man. We got Token in the building, man. It's been a minute since we reacted to Token, man. This is one of my favorite rappers in the game, man. One of many in the game now. So we're gonna check him out, man, with Call Freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Come on. You know what I'm saying? Say no, but we're gonna check him out, man. Let's get it, man. Let's go.
So I'm getting over
Brand new crib, I love to wake up. At the same time, it's my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica.
Hey.
Like it at 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like.
We gotta get ready. We gotta get ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta get ready, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot continue the video if we are not ready.
Ready? Let's go.
So I'm getting over
Hey.
this fucking cough, baby.
Let's go.
Hey. Brand new crib, I love to wake up. Top at the same time, it's my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica.
Hey.
Like it at 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke.
Okay.
That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't.
Okay.
Tell me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I got a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card to hold. My patience stay up,
Hey,
no temper
she
show.
said I got a deck of card to hold. Okay, pimpin'. Okay, big pimpin'.
I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. I'm in a whole new bracket. I get a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. Want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction.
This nigga just said they want my life to be more active, but my life don't live in captions. Oh my lord.
And get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fashions, but my whip is German.
She got moves like Jackson and lips like Braxton. Oh my lord, that's the combination.
Think I drove the fastest tires passive. I control her vision, plus I buy her lashes. Lashing out, I buy her back in this life. I imagine this, that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on.
Okay.
She barely even my type, dog. I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, so think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat. I think she think I'm bare bombs. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Once this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck
It's
the
whatever.
in the war and low.
Hey.
Let's get the marathon.
Okay.
I can only do the freestyle shit when the time get a freedom. Turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the weapon when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just support her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral. I got afford it. I just got
Hey, she
me a
trying
deal,
too hard, you
still
gotta
spinning
let
like
it go.
I can't afford but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I can give you up covers, couple corners. I'm the fuck.
You dropping curfew next week? Bet it up then. Bet it up then. Yo, that shit was hard. Shit was hard. Can't even lie and tell me that shit wasn't hard, man. You can't even lie and tell me that it was not hard. Let's go. Let's go. We setting the bar in quarantine season. You feel me? Who else spitting a better rap than that? Who else getting on a beat like this and going crazy like that? Who else? Name them in the comment section. Spam them up and tell them to do this freestyle. You feel me? Yes, sir. Thank you for watching. That's going to do it for this reaction, man. Let me know how you feel. Let me know how you feel about this reaction, man. Let me know how you feel about Token. I think he's one of the best in the game today. You feel me? And he just getting started. He's very underrated. He's very underrated. And he deserves a lot more respect. You feel me? So, hey, Token, if you watch this video, you underrated, bruh. You got hella talent. And I feel like you one of the best in the game. Top 15, top 10. You feel me? Yes, sir. That's gonna do it once again. Smash the like button for more lit reactions. Let's get as many likes as possible on this video. If you have not subscribed to the gang, subscribe right now. Let's get to 600, man, on our way to 1K. Thank you guys so much once again for sharing the videos. I'll see you on Twitter, man. Y'all show love on Twitter, and I appreciate that so much, man. Continue to show love in the comment section, on socials. I love you guys, man. I really do. I really do. And you guys mean the world to me. Let's continue to go. Let's continue to go up, man. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Stay lit. Stay grinding. Stay shining, man. I got another one coming for y'all. So stay tuned. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang.